Today we're out taking a look at a new construction home by Mungo Homes called the Evans. This floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a kitchen and laundry area that sit immediately off the entryway, and an eating area and family room that sit right off of the kitchen. The primary bedroom, bathrooms, and walk-in closets are all located downstairs right off the living area. Upstairs, there's a bonus room, another full bathroom, and 2 more full bedrooms with walk-in closets. You have several options to update this plan, including putting in vaulted ceilings in the primary bedroom as well as the living area, or adding an optional 4th bedroom instead of the bonus room. You can also add a fireplace, a porch, or an additional closet. Now, this home is being built in multiple communities in Columbia and Lexington, South Carolina, so pricing and availability vary. But you can check out the link that I put down in the description to check out the most recent pricing and availability of this home. Now, I don't work directly for Mungo Homes. I'm actually an independent real estate agent with Exp Realty here in the South Carolina Midlands. And I've helped tons of people get into homes just like this one. So if you're interested in this home or really any new construction home here in the South Carolina Midlands, I encourage you to get in touch with us today so that we can find out exactly what your family's needs are and we can get you into that perfect home for your family.